Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Sorry about last week. Tons of stuff's been happening here. The weather's been crap and crazy windy, raining like every day. So finally got a little bit of snow again. Things have cooled down. The wind's only about 5 miles an hour left to right. We're gonna do another test with Norma Tac-22. Let's get to it. All right, so as I said, we've been pretty busy lately with everything around here, waiting for parts for this rifle to get it back in action, but here we are, back on the range. So, without further ado, 10 shots for fouling, and get our aim point for 5-shot groups. You know the drill, let's do it. Top left target, 10 will be on dead center. Wearing gloves, so I don't have the best trigger feel either right now, but it is what it is. Enough with excuses, let's get to shooting. Cold bore is pretty nice. Well, can't say it looks too great, but doesn't look too bad either. So, first 5-shot group, top left corner. Not looking too bad, not looking too great either. So, top right, I think soon too I'm going to put the other barrel back on and retest some ammo, because a lot of you guys wanted to see what it would do with the stock MTR barrel. So we'll get back to doing that too. Any gun work I do, I'll put on the Utreon, so you guys can actually see what I'm doing, because I can't post here on YouTube because it's too sensitive. Alright guys, group number 2. It was looking about an MOA if it wasn't for that last shot. Bottom right. That one dropped off for some reason. That's a nice group, basically 2 little 1-hole groups. And last 5-shot group, bottom left, here we go. One hole except for that one last shot, of course. So, like I said before, sorry about last week. Trying to catch back up here. A lot of things going on. Home renos, work, and weather. So, it's really cold. Not the greatest time to be shooting rimfire. And shooting with gloves isn't the greatest as well. But we're getting it done. So, thanks for coming out and watching me again. Hope to see you next time. Take care, guys.